friends, welcome to Learn with Diva. Today I've come to rock climbing for the very first time and I want to share my experience with you guys. I'm also going to give you some tips if you're going to rock climbing for the first time. So let's get started. I know that everyone gets a little nervous and excited on their first time rock climbing. I don't know what's gonna happen. If you're not so well with hand strength, you could see this other video I made on how to do monkey bars. That'll really develop your hand strength. But now, let's get climbing. Enough talking, time for some action. This is what we're gonna do. Wow, this is amazing. It has so many stones to climb on. Let's go. Wearing a harness is very important for your safety or else you might fall. Make sure it is buckled in tightly. Make sure an adult puts the strap. Now I'm getting really scared. This is 5.12 and it's really tricky. These green ones don't even have a grip. It's okay if you try and fall down though. How am I going to climb this? This is really tough. I can't hold on to anything right now. Look at these rocks. Sometimes a level can also be too hard for you. I guess we need to switch. To give this other one a shot. Turn number 3. So hard. My arms are tired. You should give your arms a rest. So I failed a couple of times and in the end I knew 3 ways I could be better at rock climbing. First of all, I had to look ahead and see where I was going to put my hands and feet. Second of all, don't panic and go fast. Take your time. It's gonna be okay. Third of all, don't look down. It's really scary. Now we're ready. Make sure you're choosing the correct blocks to take you to the top. Sometimes on your leg you make it go really high like this. So then your arms can go high. This is really fun. Definitely don't look down. Just look up and where you're gonna go. I'm almost there. Yay! Whoa. Whoa. That was so fun. I hope you enjoyed climbing with me. Please subscribe to my channel and keep learning. I was free climbing and I'm almost to the top. Or not.